So why you fi tell me now where you dip on? Are you fi make the step and kick it off like David Beckham? Just make the lucky guess and take yourself out of depression. Imagine for your second, 10 in at the right on 1, 10 in at the left hand. Yeah man, a hot pick got the hot gifts and the hotness out.
Easy me artist. Yeah people, her name is DJ Whitey and she forward from out of St. Thomas. Me know you probably see her already because she go viral all the time. So we are going to roll the intro and then we are going to forward and check out some more tune them. Ready?
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everyone is doing good out there. But me just want to show you that DJ Whitey is one of the most talented human being me ever see. You know what I mean? Our ear rather, because they don't know what music we are talking about. People, it does sound so good. You know what I mean? Everything there on timing. She not miss a beat. She have flow plus tax. She just born for do this, people. You know they have them people that were just adjust data for them calling. There's no way DJ Whitey now go boss. I mean I said that today. Today I wish day. Today is September 26, 2020. And me I say DJ Whitey I go boss at some point. Me don't know when or how, but she a go do it. Somebody this talented just can't know. And you know what I mean? She already have make her video. So make me stop chat and make me show you some more her video them. Here goes.
I don't know say Whitey, you know. Watch this. I from me little and I grow, me say me always free some artists. And now me get to realize them suffer than tomatoes. Oh, you for beat if I go man a talk about, me just a start this. You ready, Tata? Check it out. First of all, me a the lyrical diva. And whosoever disbelieve them, I got unbeliever. When the radio start to pivot, then me fix it like a lever. Even though me just the music, you know me like the diva. Watch out. Me lyrics left them with a scar, make them darker than Mufasa. So if you mess me with the mug, you better have your salsa. The boy them start to run and moving faster than a safa. When them system me armor is mas grande keep me casa.
Yo, the talk truth no man, talk truth no man, be honest. She no bad people. I say not a beat, no miss. Even when the video cut off, you hear the last word what she said. One somebody not for bad say, you see me? So me don't know a lot about her like personally and them way there, you know what I mean? Me don't know her in other words, right? But me I go tell you what me can think of well from when me sip on the internet and following her on the social media and them thing there, right? So we know say she used to go to Marant High School. I don't know if she's still going there. Now if anybody know, you can put in the comment section and tell me if she graduated from Marant or she still got Marant Bay, right? But me know that because me see a viral video sometime last year where she actually performed at the school and up on the school stage and I performed for one bands and that they tough. You see me? And Caption Entertainment make a video about that. So me I go use theme link in the comment section so you can see what me I talk about. Please, me I beg you to check it out. Me I tell you now I got disappointed, right? But here we go. Me I go tell you some more about DJ Whitey. But make we hear one more video them. Here goes.
Yes, down here about the new Supreme Ventures game though, the hot pick. That's I want to start the bet with $10. Choose any number from 1 to 15. And you can win 110, 120 or 130. Watch this. Hot pick, 18 or above. You have to be feel lock this up on the dancehall queen page. Me go spot this last night, but my bad me never really practice. Drop it, $10 to start it off. Listen every talk my talk. Any number 1 to 15 I start it chart. Then win a 110, 120 or 130. So why you fi tell me now where you dip on? Are you fi make the step and kick it off like David Beckham? Just make the lucky guess and take yourself out of depression. Imagine for your second, 10 in at the right on 1, 10 in at the left hand. Yeah man, a hot pick got the hot gifts and the hotness out.
Effortlessly. If me fi use one word, that's the word me I pick. Effortlessly. You hear me, people? You see me? Anyway, she did a go to school and she has say, you know what I mean, she slowed down for the music a little bit because me did always a wonder why me not see no more DJ Whitey like one time. You know what I mean? One time I see her on my timeline all the time and then me never da see her. But she did a video explaining, so she just did that easy, right? So me I make gonna hear what she has say and we are gonna hear one more song them. Me already telling us that she got Marant Bay High School, but we don't know if she still go there. But anyway, make we hear what she has say. Here goes.
Alright, so them for know say the original Whitey the lyricist again. When I break up nobody like kiss cake and rub about like mistake today. See me and me know say I know it has been a while you haven't seen me, but I'm just fully focused on CXC, school, but I don't put on the music thing or nothing. It's still there, but I just now rush it. The time is coming. Alright, so Anyways, so yeah, I come with a tune for you today, just to motivate the youths, you know, so that they can remember one thing. Yeah, rip, but rip. Alright, watch out. Be who you are, climb up on that star. Me a the lyrical bomb, but that's another point. Be who you are, mama sing again. Be who you are, climb up on that star. Me a the lyrical bomb, but that's another point. Be who you are. Don't make nobody tell you say you can't do it. From you a first do it and you put your hands to it. Me deadly pan the medley and me deadly pan the do it. Just because me tell myself say me can do it. A great mindset is the greatest thing you could ever lock up. Be anything you want, be the leader of the boxer. A actress or a actor with a big ship and the doctor. Turn a nurse or a doctor. But when you go to fracture, do the English like Miss Campbell or the man just like Miss Hyatt. All them a come and run them out a bit and them go quiet. Me very down to earth and know my eye like with the fire. The music and the cooler, my balance like tired. Them can know me thing larger than Goliath. But a true white thing, you really want for cause a riot. Me higher than the birds and the places when them fly at. And the building top them when the human inspired. But be who you are and climb up on that star. Me a the lyrical bomb, but that's another point. Be who you are.
You what she said, she does that bill for exam and them thing there, but them thing they over. So the first two video when me show you, them they are the most recent one them, right? The one that the uniform and thing, for when you hear she talk about CX, you can't tell says an older video. But me would want to know hear her say it for herself that she not just put music on her head, she also a focus on school, which is very important because you can't put all your eggs in one basket. Even though she a boss, she a go boss. But, you know what I mean, it's always smart for have education as well as, you know what I mean, talent. And people you can find her on Instagram at DJ Whitey 12, right? So just follow her on Instagram. I tell you, no won't be disappointed. So I go show you one more video. It look like she team up with her cousin for that one here. And I like that one here too. You see me I say her cousin bad. So hear what they must say. Here goes.
Dead, it's going to kill boy. Assassinated, we destroy. We murder nation that we enjoy. Celebrity.
This name Corona. This name Corona. But why today I pick fool just to follow me?
This name Corona. This name Corona. This name Corona. But that's today I pick cool you.
Lord,
you put the evil just vanish. Corona get you the whole of your life gone. The extra dirt you feel pain in your arm. And the JDF part me can't tell us because when they get you, they never get the chance because the data fi come get you. You put the evil there so me see if your life and let you. Me a select the right thing and do it like a picture. Just listen to me cause Whitey.
honey please, before you catch them modern disease, cover your mouth when you cough and sneeze. Cause this a spread fast, you better believe. Some mama tell you say, this a the virus with the wickedest slum. A killer boy and girl and woman and man. But if you want save the nation, stand in your yard as long as you just follow me. This like them not go see that this your thing a real. Till them no can lose my love one fail. But if you want save the nation, stand in your yard as long as you see other game you watch the news. Me here we come from China. A few weeks later it reach a me. But ask me anything but come up the hand. Me lyrics them cleaner than the sunny side. So all who know about Corona, Corona. But me I get the cure and that is sure and do it pure. And if we work together, just make we work together. Well, if you're living on the soap, Whitey got the antidote. Your journey cut the jolly cup and then him rub it on the throat. Pop on the throat, tell him rub it on the throat. Your journey cut the jolly cup and then him rub it on the throat.
Wash your hands.
Stay 3 feet apart.
If you find yourself asleep,
Or if you find yourself a car,
get your gloves.
and then you get your mask.
Listen to the starter.
A Whitey at but tell me, who have the better mix?
Whitey, who have the better tricks?
Torture, but who have the remix?
Whitey, who have the lyrics?
Torture, but tell me from the other day.
Me say the way
Corona now play. Everybody start farming, but the music falling. People me a crying out. Mr. Water, this is the virus with the wickedest slum. I kill a boy and girl, a woman, a man. But if you want to save the nation,
say, man, producer, engineer, artist, whosoever wanna be where can boss Whitey, wanna do it to them, man. Somebody link somebody and make it happen. You see me? Big up Whitey, big up our cousin. People, big up on yourself. I hope on a follower. You see me? I say, hope on become a fan. You see me? This is one of my favorite artists. And she no boss yet. Me want to say I'm my favorite artist and she no boss yet. Me don't even care about bossing or none of that. You're bad, and you're bad Whitey. You see me? I say. So big up DJ Whitey, people. Big up on yourself. You know what I mean? If it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please subscribe. For my long-time subscribers, thank you. For the people who just subscribe, big up on yourself as well. And when you subscribe, please turn on the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you everybody for watching. Big up on yourself. Have a wonderful day and night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. I'm out. Thank you.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah,